भैया गूगल पे है ना? Hey bro, can I Paytm you? फोन पे भी नहीं है क्या? No QR code. Guys, if you're someone that uses lines like these and often, well then, congratulations. You're a UPI person just like me. So much so, I recently took my nephew mithai khane. He told me, Mama, you forgot your wallet. I said to him instantly, तू मुंह चला छोटे, Google पे सब जगह चलता है. Today's world, digital transactions have become the norm. But with that comes the need for extra caution. लेकिन फिकर not, fear not, because we have got some super effective safety tips to show you. So sit back, relax and get ready to learn how to keep your money safe while making those uncountable UPI payments like a boss. Let's dive in. Always have a screen lock. Guys, having your phone locked at all times with some kind of password is very important. You must do this and protect yourself from fraud. Make sure you keep your phone locked with a PIN, passcode or pattern, whatever you want to keep. This will not only keep your UPI safe, but it will also keep your phone safe. Do not share your PIN. पत्थर की लकीर मान लो इसे. Make sure whenever you are making any UPI payment around anybody, hide it well before you type the PIN. A UPI PIN is basically the PIN for your bank account, guys. Do not write it or even save the PIN in your phone or anywhere else. Only keep it in one place. Here. Are you afraid that if you forget it, how are you going to use your UPI again? Let me tell you, that happened with me. Changing the password is easy. You just need your phone number that is attached with the bank account and your email ID. But as I said, only keep the password here. And of course, remember, if you feel like someone invaded your security, change the PIN ASAP. Do not click on unverified links or attend fake calls. Jamtara yaad hai na? Season 1, Season 2, a lot of fake messages are going around right now. Even fake calls. Scammers nowadays have it easy going for them to hack anyone's bank account by tracking them technically. So it becomes hard to get it if it's legit or not. If any such kind of message comes to you with an unverified link, make sure you do not click on it. The first thing to do is block the number. And if it's a fake scam phone call, they're gonna ask for your bank details or an OTP. Never share those. Remember, each bank always says that their official employees will never ask for an OTP. So make sure you're blocking those numbers as well. And of course, in case of such scams, do not forget to file a complaint to the cyber police instantly. Keep updating your UPI regularly. If your auto update option is enabled, you don't have to worry about checking on your app if it's updated or not. Updating your payment app will only build up good safety measures for you and will also make sure any payment would not get stuck further by any technical issues. So keep on checking for every update so that your app has all the new and latest updates. Avoid using multiple payment applications. You should not have more than 2 payment applications on your phone. Just install the one which is verified and protected. Prefer UPI ID over number. Take a note, guys. Whenever you are making a payment to any unknown individual, say a food delivery person or an auto rickshaw driver, make sure you always use the UPI ID or the scan code. I know using the number is way more convenient, but what if you mistype the number? Avoid that. Use the QR code or the UPI ID. And if still you need to use the number, well then you can always send an amount of ₹1 to ensure that it's the correct person and then make the rest of the payment. Check the registered identity on the UPI ID to make sure it is correct. Guys, you should verify the identity of the recipient before proceeding with the transaction. As soon as your UPI app detects the QR code or as soon as you manually enter a number or VPA for payments, the registered identity of the recipient appears on your device's screen. Before actually going through with the transaction, it is a good practice to double check if the registered identity is accurate by questioning the involved individual. In this manner, you can actually ensure that the amount is being sent to the correct person. UPI transactions are irreversible, guys, for which you must abide by UPI safety tips. So, be safe and protect your money. Disable screen sharing and recording. Accessibility to your UPI applications should not be granted to screen sharing programs. This is because some unverified applications may result in data breaches, putting your sensitive financial information such as your passwords and OTPs in danger. When using such screen sharing applications, you can always go into the settings and turn off blanket access for them. And that was the video, guys. We definitely hope these tips and tricks have helped you to feel more confident and secure in your UPI payments. Remember, when it comes to digital transactions, it's better to be safe than sorry. So keep these tricks in mind, stay vigilant, and always be on the lookout for potential scams. Let us know which trick did you know of and which one would you like to be more mindful of. Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such helpful content.